Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JE NEET. Today topic is hydrocarbons revision. Already we discussed alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic hydrocarbons. Today overall revision. Hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons we know that mainly alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So alkanes general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2. Two hydrogens are less. Okay, example if you take this butane, butene, butene, right? Suppose these hydrocarbons are ring structures are there. Ring structures, those are cyclobutane, cyclobutene, cyclobutene, cyclobutene. So see, stability we can discuss later. This is very unstable hota hai. Okay, so these are the structures. If a ring is there, generally we will write the nomenclature cyclobutane. Same, all cyclo compounds these are, right? Next, IUPAC and common name में this methane, the first compound, first 1 and 2 compounds are very important. In the alkanes, that is methane. In the alkene, ethene. In the alkyne, ethine. These are the 3 important compounds here. This methane, also known as fire dump, it is maximum present in the marsh gas. So marsh gas also is known as methane only. The methane, this methane maximum percentage is there in the biogas. Okay. So next, ethylene. Ethylene also is a common name of ethene. Ethene and ethylene looks like similar. It is also used for artificial ripening agent. Artificial ripening agent. किस में use करते हैं वो? Fruits. In case of fruits to ripen artificially, we are using this ethylene gas. This acetylene gas we are using in the gas weldings to cut the iron rods. You can cut it. You can join 2 iron rods also. Okay, gas welding. These are the main points here. Here, if you talk about hydrocarbons, in the hydrocarbon generally used in the petrol. What is the petrol? Petrol, kerosene and diesel. These all are hydrocarbons only, especially alkanes. Those are alkanes. In this petrol, see we know that LPG gas is there. LPG gas में क्या होता है? Generally isobutane and propane. Okay, propane, isobutane, these are the present. And in case of petrol, we will learn one thing here, anti-knocking agents. क्योंकि petrol में where we are using in the engine will get while the piston is hitting, we will get some sound. You can observe that if you remove the silencer of the bike, you will get tuck 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 sound is there. Okay, that is the knocking. Okay, if you want to reduce the knocking is noise, nothing but. If you want to reduce the knocking, then you have to take some extra substance, that is TEL. TEL full form is tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. Okay, so this is the PbC2H5 taken 4 times, tetraethyl lead. Also we are using ferrocene. Why we are using? These are anti-knocking agent to reduce the noise. So to reduce the noise, the efficient compound is known as isooctane. This isooctane structure is, one side is, this is a neo type chain is there, and the other side is isopropyl, iso type. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am not giving IUPAC number, just general numbering. Total 8 carbons are there. This is the isooctane structure. Generally, our expectation is isooctane structure means like this. It should be. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it is not the correct. This is the isooctane. Here maximum branches are there. Whenever branches are increasing, those are acting as anti-knocking agent. So here the anti-knocking efficiency is given by octane numbering. If octane number maximum is there, means that is a good anti-knocking agent. Octane number maximum means good anti-knocking agent. Okay, now isooctane ka octane number is given as 100. Okay, 100 matlab is a good anti-knocking agent. In n-heptane ka 0. n-heptane matlab there is no branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N-heptane, there is no branches here. Iska anti-knocking agent character is 0. Matlab it is giving maximum more noise. Okay, here bilkul silent. So in the petrol they will add this isooctane to reduce the knocking. Okay, so depends on the ratio we will get in the petrol, quality petrol, and they will give you super, okay, prime petrol, like that, different names they will give. This is the thing. So here one note point is here. Nowadays this lead, we know that it is a more pollutant. Lead is more poisonous element also. That's why this TEL is banned now. Instead of TEL, now we are using ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol also using as a anti-knocking agent. This TEL is used previously, olden days we can say. Now we are using ethyl alcohol as a anti-knocking agent to reduce the noise. Right? Next, stability. The stability of hydrocarbons may alkanes are maximum stable, that means inert we can say. These are inert. We know that this name is also known as paraffins. So less reactive, then alkenes are more reactive, we are talking about stability. So here more stable, less stable, and least stable. That means indirectly reactivity is more. This we can say more reactive. So these are the least reactive we can say. Next, see, now we are talking about alkene stability. This alkene stability may, here 4 methyl groups are there. So hyperconjugation, if you count it, total how many alpha hydrogens are there? 6 plus 6, total 12 hyperconjugations are there. That means more stable means less reactive we can say. More stable. The stability is decreasing. Here only 9 hyperconjugations are there. Here only 6 hyperconjugations are there. Of course here also 6 hyperconjugations are there. In this case, how you decided? Okay, so here cis, here bulky groups are there on same side. Methyl group and methyl group, same side is their repulsions, so less stable. So this is the decided. Then trans and geminal. The trans and geminal almost equal hota hai. Little bit geminal is higher stable than the trans. Okay. Then here only 3 hyperconjugations are there. Here no hyperconjugation, 0 hyperconjugations. Okay. Based on these hyperconjugations, we given this stability order. In case of alkanes, the stability order is depends on the bond angle. Bond bond angle कभी भी if 109.5 degrees is there, that is more stable, more stable. So based on this, Bayer scientist, he explained that stability order. So here, what is the bond angle here? Triangle shape में है तो 60 degrees. So here 90 degrees. Here approximately 105. Here approximately 120. According to bond angle theory, it should be less stable. Expected, but it is more stable. Why? Because what we are looking here, cyclohexane means ring. It's not like this. The structure is like chair form and board form. Chair and board form में रहता है. This is called chair form. This is a board form. Here it is a more stable. Chair form is more stable than the board form. Here hydrogens are there. This hydrogen and this hydrogen repulsions are there. Okay. So these both are eclipsed form. So eclipsed is unstable than staggered. Here each carbon is different. There is no bond angle strain, there is no torsional strain. So maximum strain less. That's why more stable. So here one point is important. Bond angle ज़्यादा variation है तो less stable है. So here bond angle here 109.5. It is a tetrahedral geometry following. Okay, whenever 109.5 is there, that is more stable. That point only important here. Next, preparations. Preparation from inorganic compounds also we can prepare organic compound. Those are carbides. So the compound which carbides are producing acetylene, those are known as acetylides. The carbide which are giving methanes, those are called methanoids. Methanoids and acetylides. By the hydrolysis it is giving. So one time the question came like that, in the calcium carbide how many sigma and pi bonds are there? Okay, so the structure is like this, is a -2 calcium plus 2. So here ionic bond is there, so 1 sigma 2 pi bonds. Okay, this type of questions. Then next, from carboxylate we can prepare alkanes, alkynes. See, alkanes we can prepare like this, soda lime. In the presence of soda lime means NaOH plus calcium oxide. We will get here decarboxylation. So CO2 is releasing, we will get CH4. One carbon less containing hydrocarbon we are getting, that is alkane. Here coal-based electrolysis. By coal-based electrolysis we will get here CH3 radical and CH3 radical is there. So alkane we are getting again, but here number of carbons are increasing. This is also alkane, number of carbons increasing. So if you take always you will get two carbons less containing compound. Here one less, here two less. What two less? Two carbons less containing compound is forming. Then if you want alkynes, you can take this malic acid anhydride, sodium or potassium malleate, you can take here. This bond is cleavage and forming CH double bond CH, radical and radical, that means CH triple bond CH. Alkyne we are getting. What about alkene? Yeah, alkene also you will get if you take here single bond. Minus COO minus, by the coal-based electrolysis the CO2 is releasing and radical is forming, then you will get alkene also you will get it, CH2. So by coal-based electrolysis we will get alkane, alkene and alkyne we are getting. Okay, next. lower hydrocarbon to higher hydrocarbon. So that means ring increasing, sorry, not ring, chain increasing, chain increasing. So here ethyl chloride we are taking, we are getting butane, 2 carbon chain to 4 carbon chain. In this case, Purge reaction, that is Purge reaction, sodium ether you can take it, then you will get double, whatever you are taking number of carbons usse double banega, right? Next, in case of alkynes, how to increase the chain? In this case, you can take sodamide, NaNH2, then 2 moles you take it, we are getting Na plus C triple bond C, here minus minus Na plus. Then you take Rx, here what you want, just methyl group extra. So you take methyl chloride, how many moles? 2 moles you take it. So 1 mole right side, 1 mole left side, you will get like this. So we can get it more, means a longer chain of alkynes we are getting like this. Next, see some reagents functioning is here. Aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH ka functioning. Aqueous KOH means KOH present in the water. इसमें you have to remember like this, OH minus percentage is more. So the OH is replaces the chlorine. So your answer is CH3, CH2, CHOH, then CH3. Right? This chlorine is replaced by OH. Then concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 दिया तो हम सोचना है minus water. Actually temperature is 170 degrees Celsius. Sometimes they will give just heat symbol, even though we had to think that. So here after removal of water molecule, 2 probabilities are there. One is but 1 ion and but 2 ion, we will get it, but the major product is but 2 ion. The major product is but 2 ene, sorry, not ion, ene, but 2 ene. Why? Because more substituted alkene is more stable according to Sedgwick rule. Sedgwick rule. Sedgwick rule क्या बोलते हैं वो? More substituted alkene is more stable. Then again if you react with HCl, then one side H, other side will be Cl. If peroxide is there, no problem, there is no change. Again we are getting same product. If you take alcoholic KOH, alcoholic, if you take alcohol, something will be damaged in your body. Here, like that you have to remember. So HCl is removing, minus HCl. So dehydrohalogenation होता है. Your product is CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, alkene. See here also alkene, here also alkene. And here also you may get doubt, sir, 1 alkene and 2 alkene. Same rule, Sedgwick rule, more substituted alkene is more stable. This is the major product. Minor product दूसरा बनेगा, but 1 ion. Again reaction with HCl, either peroxide or without peroxide, same product you are getting. Okay. Next. So here alkene is there, okay, propene, with in the presence of H2O2, in the absence of H2O2, what are the products? You can write it here. In the, see, according to Markovnikov rule, this H plus Cl minus, the Cl minus attacking where less number of hydrogens are there. So CH3, CH, Cl, CH2 bond H. That means 2 chloropropene. In the presence of peroxide, this peroxide is applicable. The peroxide effect is applicable for only bromine, HBr, only HBr. So here HCl is not affected by this peroxide. So same product you will get it. In case of HBr, normal HBr में your product is like this, 2 bromopropane. But in the presence of peroxide, you will get 1 bromopropane, you will get it. 1 bromopropane. In case of HI also there is no effect. As simple as that, CH2 is there, middle iodine terminal में hydrogen. Okay, what about in the presence of peroxide? Same product you will get it. Okay, 2-iodopropane, 2-iodopropane, there is no peroxide effect, right? These things are important. Wherever exceptions are there, those exceptions only important. Next, rearrangement. Sometimes rearrangement also takes place. Concentrated H2SO4, we know that minus H2O. In the presence of H2SO4, proton is producing, so protonation takes place first. So after protonation, this oxygen getting positive charge, here water molecule is removing. So we are getting here this position carbocation, that is secondary carbocation. Okay, secondary carbocation. Next, suppose if you shift this methyl here, you will get tertiary carbocation. Okay, so tertiary carbocation is more stable, therefore rearrangement takes place. Then अभी alkene बनेगा. Alkene, with alkene, two probabilities are there. One is alkene like this, क्योंकि minus H2O. Now another one is like this, alkene. Two probabilities are there. So this is the generally major, this is the minor. और एक alkene भी possible है, इधर भी फॉर्मेशन होने का बहुत कम होता है, लेकिन ये भी होने का चांसेस है. दिस इज वेरी लेस, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी तो है. सो मैक्सिमम तो मेजर एंड माइनर, दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, सो हियर रीअरेंजमेंट इज देयर. व्हेन द रीअरेंजमेंट टेक्स प्लेस, व्हेनेवर फ्रॉम एडजेसेंट कार्बन more stable carbocation possible is there. Whenever more stable carbocation formation possibility is there by shifting of any either hydrogen or alkyl group, then rearrangement takes place. Okay, next, stereochemistry related question. Here KMnO4 and osmium tetroxide, the structure is MnO4 minus. Okay, this is the KMnO4 structure. So two oxygens are joining same side. Okay, so this is called syn addition. Osmium tetroxide, same osmium tetroxide का structure भी वही होता है. Osmium tetroxide O minus and O minus. Okay, osmium the plus 2. So here also two oxygens are joining from same side. Okay, so whenever syn addition and trans compound is there, here it is forming racemic mixture. Okay, you will get more clarity racemic mixture in the class 12. Okay, racemic mixture means two products we are getting. In case of cis compound and anti-addition, bromine takes place. Anti-addition मतलब पहले bromine ऐसा cyclobromonium ion formation होता है, cyclobromonium ion. Then next bromine, the Br minus will join from other side. Okay, so this is the anti-addition बोलते हैं. So this is the anti-addition. Here also anti-addition. So whenever cis compound anti-addition takes place, then also racemic mixture is forming. Suppose here in case of bromine, your product is bromine up and bromine down. Okay, MCPBA, this is giving a diols again. This is the one side OH and OH. Okay, so these are racemic mixture. So isomers, two compounds are forming. All two compounds. Then suppose KMnO4 trans addition है ये, suppose bromine is there reacting, bromine is reacting, trans compound with anti addition is giving meso compound. Meso compound में only one product we will get it, only one product, there is no racemic mixture. Okay, trans compound with anti addition is giving meso. Cis compound with syn addition, cis compound with syn addition also giving only one product. Suppose KMnO4 or osmium tetroxide is there, so you are giving only one product, that is diols. Okay, this is the stereochemistry. Syn addition plus cis giving one product, trans compound with anti addition is giving meso compound. How many products by monochlorination? See here how many types, A type, B, sorry, these both are A type, hydrogens are there here. Then this is the B type, this is the C type, this is the D type. So how you will know? Just you substitute 1,1-chlorine here, then IUPAC name you will get same here and here. If you put the chlorine at B position, you will get another nomenclature. If you put the chlorine at C position, you will get another product. If you put the chlorine at D position, you will get another product. Total A, B, C, D. So total 4 products we are getting. But see, I am writing the structures here. Here chlorine, this position chlorine, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products. In these 4 products, any chiral compounds are there? See, this one is the chiral. Chiral means 4 different groups. Here methyl, this is the ethyl, this is the one hydrogen is there, and this is a different chloromethyl. So one chiral compound is there. One chiral compound is there means 2 products. One is small l, one is small d. Clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. 2 compounds. Here this one is not possible. No chiral. Then here this one not possible. Here you can see here methyl, the big group, chlorine, and one more is hydrogen. So here also one chiral carbon is there. So 2 products. This one also. Okay. Next. Is there any other choice? No. Okay. So total how many? 4 वो पहले था. Due to this isomers, total 6 isomers are forming. Out of the 6 isomers, this L comma D we cannot separate by steam distillation क्योंकि boiling point दोनों का same रहता है. Boiling point दोनों same रहता है. So we can separate it only 4. Okay, we can separate it 4, but total is 6 isomers. 6 isomers are forming. We can separate only 4. Then boiling point. वो boiling point किस पे depend होता है? Boiling point depends on surface area. Suppose what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Neopentane. Neopentane boiling point is smaller than, I am taking only all 5 carbon chain. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इससे neopentane से isopentane is better. Isopentane से better 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N-pentane has more boiling point. Okay. So here surface area is increasing. Surface area is increasing. Right. Here just ball type structure is there. Here area is this much. So surface area is more. Then another molecule. Van der Waals forces are more. Van der Waals forces are more. So here Van der Waals forces are less. So boiling point will be more. Even though number of carbons are same, surface area is more, then boiling point will be more. Then how can you distinguish alkene, alkene and alkynes? Here one is bromine water test. Bromine water. So here decolorization hoga. Decolorization. Right. Then another one is base reagent, that is diluted cold alkaline KMnO4, that is also same decolorization होता है. Then ठीक है, so alkane and alkyne means saturated and unsaturated, we can do that like that. This is the saturated, this is the unsaturated. Then alkene and alkyne, how can you distinguish? In case of alkene and alkyne, the question is there, then you can distinguish these two by tolens. अभी tolens में only terminal alkynes we can distinguish. Terminal means one alkyne. So here one carbon hydrogen, ये hydrogen होना चाहिए. Okay, in that case, so now we already know that ये तो एक alkene है, वो एक alkyne है. So which is giving tolens? Those are alkynes. ठीक है? Two alkynes है तो we cannot separate, right? So next, chlorine and H2O or HOCl is there. In the OH is minus, chlorine is plus. OH is minus, chlorine is plus. Then you can write that according to Markovnikov rule, this OH minus, अभी तो ये symmetrical है, symmetrical में कोई problem नहीं है, कहाँ भी ऐड करो. Then एक side OH, the other side is chlorine. Then H3O plus दिया मतलब 2 times addition of water. So where the OH minus will go the second carbon, H plus will attack at terminal carbon. ठीक है? So 2 times OH and OH, carbon, hydrogen and hydrogen. 2 OH groups are unstable, removing one water molecule. So you will get like this ketone you are getting. Ketone. Right? Ketone you are getting. If it is the ketone you are getting. Next, if you are reacting with diborane or boron hydrides, in the boron hydride H is the minus. अभी तक generally क्या होता है? H is the plus होता है. So here H is the minus, BH2 is the plus. So according to this, so BH2 will attack here. Then H minus, H is attacking middle, BH2 according to Markovnikov rule, BH2 is the terminal position. Okay, so you are getting like this, middle में hydrogen, the terminal में BH2. In the next second step, we are using H2O2 in the presence of basic medium में, this BH2 replaced by OH group. So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 1-ol you are getting. Terminal alkyne. Means indirectly we can say anti-Markovnikov product. Anti-Markovnikov product we are getting. Okay, we are expecting OH will come middle, but due to this BH3 we are getting outside. This is not because of H2O2, this is because of BH3. Okay, next Hg plus and H2SO4 is there. So here then addition of water में generally the middle position में OH, terminal में hydrogen. See the difference, normal H2SO4 and BH3 में. Okay, if you do normal, then we are getting butane 2-ol, here butane 1-ol. This is the main difference. Next, oxidation reactions. ओजोनालिसिस में हम क्या करना है, बस इसमें बीच में ब्रेक करना है. So C double bond OH, of course this is the CH3, and another product also CH3 C double bond OH, right? Ozonolysis in the presence of H2O2 में क्या होता है, again furtherly oxidizing this alcohol, this aldehyde again furtherly oxidized and giving carboxylic acid CH3 C double bond OOH. Okay, so 2 moles. In the presence of acidic KMnO4 में क्या होता है, same product is giving. These both are same products. Ozonolysis in the presence of peroxides or Acidic medium में KMnO4. These both reagents are giving same type of products. Okay. Then here cold diluted alkaline KMnO4 मतलब weak oxidizing agent. Actually KMnO4 stronger है, but basic medium में weak होता है, basic में cold है और भी diluted है, इसलिए just reacting. So even though it can make into diols, it can make into diols. Okay, this is the Bayer's reagent. This is also known as Bayer's reagent. Next, suppose one more reaction I will give you here, like this is there, alkynes, ozonolysis in the presence of peroxides or KMnO4, acidic medium में acidic KMnO4, right, what it is giving. So just you break this and forming CH3, ये C डबल बॉन्ड OH आल्डिहाइड बनना है, लेकिन एसिडिक मीडियम में इसलिए कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बनते हैं. ठीक है, हियर तो जनरली कीटोन बनेगा, बस उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. राइट, सेम रिएजेंट्स इफ इट इज रिएक्टिंग हियर, diketones are forming. Just you break the two bonds and put one oxygen right side and left side one, right? So you are getting like this diketones. Thank you.